everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my channel. In this week's tutorial, we're going to make a delicious gluten-free coffee and walnut cake. It tastes absolutely fantastic. If you are a coffee lover like me, you're gonna absolutely love it. I hope you're gonna try and make it as well. And if you like the video, guys, and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. It would mean so much to me. And don't forget to tap that little bell, because that way you're gonna get notifications every week when we put the videos up. I hope you're staying safe and well. Until next time, go break a egg. So our ingredients for the coffee gluten-free cake, guys. We have here 4 tablespoons of coconut oil melted, 100 grams of almond flour, 70 grams of walnuts, 3 eggs, 30 grams of coffee. These are 6 dates chopped up. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of gluten-free baking powder and a pinch of salt. All of this is going to be mixed together in the bowl. To bake it for about 25-30 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. Ta-da! See you when it comes out. It's out of the oven. It smells absolutely delicious. It has risen. If you don't like coffee, you can replace it with lemon or vanilla or Nesquik or Biscoff even. But such a nice little cake, and with such little guilt. So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time.